Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vocab Search. Kindly subscribe this channel for new vocab updates. Abandon. It's a verb meaning to leave somebody or something that you're responsible for, usually permanently. It also means to stop doing something without finishing it or without achieving what you wanted to do. This word abandon can be used in two ways. The bank robbers abandoned the car just outside the city, or like the search for the missing sailors was abandoned after 2 days. Synonym or antonym of abandon. These are synonym resign, surrender, wive, yield, deliver, leave. While that your antonyms, they are deny, reclaim, take up, restrain. Bacon. It's a noun. It means thin piece of salted or smoked meat from the back or sides of a pig. It could be used in a sentence like we had bacon and eggs for the breakfast, or grill the bacon until crisp. Its synonyms are pork, gammon, rasher, pork slab, pork bellies. Its antonyms are vegan. Cabinet is a noun. It means a cupboard with shelves or drawers used for storing things. Or it could be the most important ministers in a government who have regular meetings with the Prime Minister. Example is, I have to buy a cabinet for storing medicines. Or the cabinet are meeting today to discuss the crisis. The various synonyms of cabinets are case, closet, container, locker, dresser, officials, ministry. The antonyms are agitate, staff, team, employees, workforce. Daft. It's an adjective. It means chiefly British, informal, silly, foolish, or mad, insane. Example is, don't do anything daft. He looks at me as if I were daft. The various synonyms are brainsick, cracked, cruised, crazy, insane, mental, psychotic, unsound. Antonyms are balanced, composed, mentis, safe, sound, uncrazy. Eager. Eager is an adjective. It means strongly wanting to do or have something, or keenly expectant or interested. Example is, the man was eager to please, or small eager faces looked up and listened. Its synonyms are anxious, impatient, keen, enthusiastic, avid, greedy, crazy, soaked, ardent. Antonyms are casual, incurious, unconcerned, detached, disinterested, aloof. Facet. Facet is a noun. It means one part or particular aspect of something, or this could be one side of a precious stone. Example is, each facet of the problem requires careful attention. Second example, different facets of our culture. Its synonyms are angle, aspect, hand, face, side, plane, surfaces, particular, dimensions. Antonyms are back, rear, uncover, inside, outside, descent, disappear, subsurface. Gadget. It's a noun. It means a small device, tool or machine that has a particularly but usually unimportant purpose. Like, have you seen this handy gadget for separating egg yolks from whites? Gadget is used to artificially inseminate cows. Synonyms are appliances, contraption, device, widget, apparatus, instrument, implement, tool, machine. Antonyms: unavailability, inaccessibility, inconvenience. Habit. Habit is a noun. It means something that you do often and almost without thinking, especially something that is hard to stop doing. or it's a usual behavior. Example, I am trying to get into the habit of hanging up my clothes every night. Secondly, I think I only smoke out of habit now. I don't enjoy it. Synonyms are practice, custom, pattern, routine, style, convention, policy, way, tradition. Antonyms are unaccustomed, disinclination, hate, dislike, deviation, diversion, abnormality, difference. Icon. Icon is a noun. It means a small picture or symbol on a computer screen that represents a program. It also means a person or thing that is considered to be a symbol of something. The examples of icon is click on the printer icon with the mouse. Secondly, Madonna was pop icon of 1980s. Its synonyms are image, idol, portrait, likeness, representation, symbol, figure, model. Its antonyms are nobody, non-celebrity, lightweight. Jab. Jab is a verb. It means to push at somebody or something with a sudden rough movement, usually with something sharp. It also means the action of putting a drug etc. under somebody's skin with a needle. Sentences: he gave me a jab in the ribs with a stick, or I am going to doctor to have a typhoid jab today. Its synonyms are poke, dig, tap, elbow, shove, punch, putt, nudge. Antonyms are pull out, haul, draw, wrench, jerk, tug, yank, drag. Knack. Knack is a noun. It means skill or ability to do something difficult that you have naturally or you can learn. Example, knitting isn't difficult once you have got the knack on it. Synonym: gift, talent, flair, genius, instinct, faculty, ability. Antonyms: inability, incapacity, irritation, discomfort, difficulty, ignorance. Label. Label is a noun. It means a piece of paper that is fixed to something and which gives information about it. Or it also means a company that produces and sells records, CDs, etc. The various examples are: there is a list of all the ingredients on the label. Ever since he started going to rock club, he has been given the label of Buster. Its synonyms are tag, ticket, tab, sticker, marker, designation, characterization. Antonyms are deny, lose, refuse, confuse, disallow, keep. Magnetism. It's a noun. It means a characteristic of magnetism that causes attraction or repulsion. It also means that the qualities that strongly attract persons. It could be used in the sentences like nobody could resist his magnetism. Some principal phenomena of magnetism may be demonstrated with little apparatus. The various synonyms are allure, attraction, appeal, draw, charm, magic, hypnotism. Antonyms are repulsion, impotence, weakness, incapacity. Please like the video, comment your valuable feedback, share and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for your support.